You're walking down the street. Suddenly, your phone loses signal. You think it's just a dead zone. You restart your phone. Nothing happens. But miles away, a hacker just activated your number on their phone. This is a SIM swap. They didn't steal your phone. They stole your identity.
How? They called your mobile carrier. They pretended to be you. They said they lost their SIM card. SMS is the weakest lock on your front door. It is not encrypted. It is easily intercepted. If your email recovery uses SMS, they own your email. If they own your email, they own your crypto. The fix? Kill the SMS. Switch to a hardware key like YubiKey, or an authenticator app.
Go to your security settings. Remove your phone number. Force the hacker to need physical access. Your phone is for calling your mom, not for securing your millions. Upgrade your security with TradingMaster.